Ari and Nieva, do you understand and accept this responsibility? And do you promise to do your best each day to create a loving, happy marriage?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Nieva, do you take this man, Ari, to be your husband, to love him, submit to him, forsaking all others, clinging only to him, as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Ari, do you take this woman, Nieva, to be your wife, to love her, to comfort her, to honor her, to provide for her, forsaking all others, clinging only to her, as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
May I have the ring, please? Wala rin. Wala. Yung ring. Ring bearer. Yung ring.